Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Hull, part of Gatineau, Quebec, is home to the famous Casino du Lac-Leamy. This area, rich in history and culture, is a vibrant part of Quebec's Outaouais region, and a lively neighbor to Ottawa. Hull is one of Gatineau's oldest areas, located along the Ottawa and Gatineau rivers, with a unique mix of natural beauty and urban energy. Historically, it gained a reputation as a nightlife hotspot, especially during the Prohibition era in the early 20th century, when Ontario had strict alcohol laws. Hull attracted visitors from Ottawa looking to enjoy its bars and clubs, even earning the nickname Le Petit Chicago, due to its lively nightlife. This transformation continued into the 2000s, when Hull's downtown area was redeveloped to create a more family-friendly and business-oriented community. Today, it's filled with cafes, restaurants, and shops, especially around Promenade du Portage, which hosts local events and attractions year-round. The Casino du Lac-Leamy, one of the most prominent landmarks here, offers a range of entertainment options, including gaming, dining, and shows, and attracts many visitors from both sides of the Ottawa River. In 2002, Hull, along with other neighboring cities, merged to form Gatineau, creating a larger, interconnected urban area with Hull as its central historic hub. Today, the area's blend of modernity, history, and natural landscapes makes it a fantastic place to visit, relax, and explore.